Hi guys, welcome back. We're on to one of our mini lessons. Today we're going to talk about rounding up money, especially when you want to use it to get or pay for items. Now, in class, when we round up, we always round up to the next dollar. So, the reason we do that is if you're paying for something, it's smarter to have a little bit more than not enough because you can't find more if you don't have it, but you can always bring a little more and get change. So it's smarter to have a little more, a little extra versus not having enough. Now, with that in mind, we are going to go over a menu. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 3 things and we're going to round them up. I did the 3 the wrong way, but you guys know what I meant. So, I am going to look at this menu and I'm going to pick cheeseburger because I do love me a cheeseburger. Combo. So that means it has extras with it. It comes with fries and a drink. So cheeseburger combo is $3.39. Okay. Then I want to get a kid's meal for my kid. I think they like chicken strips with fries, which comes with a soft drink and a prize. And that one is $2.90. Okay? After that, I think we should share a dessert. I think an ice cream sundae would be best. And that is $1.50. Now, I've already told you how to look at a menu for prices, so you should know what to do for that. This is just about rounding up. Okay. So we're going to round these up. $3.39. After 3 is 4. So that we're going to have $4. $2.90. After 2 is 3. $1.50. After 1 is 2. Okay, so we rounded all those up. Now let's add that up. 4 plus 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, plus 2, 8, 9. So, if we brought $9 for that meal, we would have enough to pay for the meal. But, would we have enough for tip? Nope, we're going to have to talk about that another time. Alright, let's do another quick one and see what happens. So this time, I want to order separates because these don't come with specials. I want a grilled chicken sandwich, which is $2.79. Then I want to get onion rings, which is $1.69. And I want to get a milkshake, but I only want a small milkshake, which is $1.39. Okay. So $2.79 after 2 is 3. $1.69 after 1 is 2. $1.39 after 1 is 2. Okay, we're going to add those all up. 3 plus 2, 1, 2, plus 2, 1, 2. We would need $7. Ta-da! Now I'm going to make some that are a little bit more complicated and aren't off of the menu. Actually, we'll do one more off the menu, then we'll do that. All right. Let's pick a hot dog, because I also love hot dogs. We're going to do an extra long hot dog. This one is $2 even. Now I want a lemonade with that. The lemonade is $1.09. Actually, let me do a small lemonade, which is 99 cents. And finally, I want to end with a banana split, because I didn't get anything that was too big. And that's $2.15. Well, my banana split costs more than the hot dog. Interesting. All right. Now, this one has some surprises in it. First, $2 even. That means there's no change. If there's no change, it's already rounded to the straight dollar. So you just want to write 2. So if you ever see 0, 0, you don't need to round up or down. It's fine just the way it is. 99 cents. All right, if you see 99 cents by itself, what you want to do is you want to draw a 0 in there. And here, the 0 would go here. So what's after 0? 1. So having $1 would be smart. $2.15. What's after 2? 3. Okay, and then we can add that up. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 is 6. I don't know if I can do a 6 upside down. I totally can't. Okay, 6. Ta-da! So that's one thing to remember. If you already have a whole dollar amount, you're not rounding. You're just keeping it the same. If you have just change, always put a 0 before the dot or decimal. And there, you know that you're going to 1. All right, now let's go to the complicated ones. So, say you are at a store and they have something that you really want, but it costs a decent amount. So let me tell you how much it costs. You want to buy a toy, and the toy costs $35.99. What would you round up to get it? Well, what's after 35? 36. Okay? So you need to bring $36 for that toy. Now, say you have $100. This is why rounding is very useful, is because if you know how much you have and you round up, you know how much you can spend without going over. Oh my gosh, I cannot write this right. Okay, so you have $100. We're going to write this like a word problem. A toy train costs $48.36, and a toy frisbee I don't know if I know how to spell frisbee. We're going to try that. Costs $3.15. These are all just made up. Do you have enough for both? Okay. $48.36. So let's round that up. 48 becomes 49. So we want 49 plus $3.15. 3 becomes 4. So 49 plus 4, let's count it up. 49, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 53. Which I could not write upside down. Okay. $53. Is 53 less than 100? Well, is it somewhere in this chart? Then it's less than 100. You could afford both things. Now, let's see if you have $100 and a bike costs $73.80, and a doll costs $38.20. Oh, do we have enough? Well, let's round up and find out. 73 becomes 74. 38 becomes 39. Okay, let's add those together. 74. Here, now we're going to add 39. So, to add 30, we go down 3 because that's the tens. 1, 2. Are we over 100? We are. So we don't have enough, but we can still figure it out. So 1, 2, 3. So this would be 104. And now we're going to add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're on to the next one. 7, 8, 9. So that would make it 1, 1, 3. You would need $113 to buy that. So you do not have enough for those two things. So if you looked at each of the items alone, $73, $38, you know, or let's say rounding up $74 and $39, you know you had enough. But when you add them together, you didn't. So you have to be cautious about how much you're getting. Let's do one that's a little bit closer, okay? A game costs $61.20. Okay? A toy costs $37.40. All right, do we have enough? Okay. 61 would become 62. Why can I do that one better? Weird. And 37 would become 38. Okay, so we're going to do 62 plus 38. So where's our 62? Okay, now we're going to do 1, 2, 3. We're at 92 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have exactly, and I did not do that on purpose, enough to buy those two toys. Kind of funky, huh? You want to do one more? Okay. We're going to keep the items we're buying. We're going to buy a game and a toy. Okay. This time, the game costs $35.75, and the toy costs $65.50. There we go. Okay. So 35 becomes 36. 65 becomes 66. Okay. Now when I add items up, I always add from the highest one first. So we go from 66 and we're going to add 36, okay? So 66, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. That puts us at 96. Now we're going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're past the 100. We don't have enough. But we know it costs 100. And why did I do that one upside down wrong? 2. All right? So this is an idea for you to think about. I use this when I'm buying a lot of things at the grocery store and I don't want to go over a certain amount. I will have everything round up to a certain number. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll round up to like 5s when I'm really counting, but you don't have to do that. You can round up to this. And then I mark off in my head, okay, 100, I just bought something for 7, so now I have 93. And then I remember 93, and then I put something else in my cart. And this one is 685, so it's another 7. So 93 minus 7 would be, counting back on my chart, because sometimes I do this in my head when I'm talking. 93, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would be 86. And keep going. As I go along, I will have diminished things down and diminished the amount down, so that by the time I'm down to my last $10, I know I have enough for everything in the cart. And I can sit and go, I want something that costs $8. It should be fine. Let's put it in the cart. Or, this thing costs $15. I don't have enough left, so I will leave it out of the cart. Make sense? All right, guys. I hope this helped make more sense of rounding up and why it's so useful. Take care. Bye.